what is going on. Listen, the guys at Bodega, who are usually, you know, making freezers, big coolers, things like that for refrigeration, are dipping their foot in the cooking market. All right, so what I got from Bodega is, as you see it here, it comes in this nice bag, nice handles, ripstop nylon, zippers on the inside. First thing that's going to come out is the stove itself. Nice branding on there. Now this unit is actually real chunky, if you ask me. Nice handle, talking about 10 inches across, 9 inches, about 6 inches tall. But it has a secret when it's unfolded. And this little piece right here, which, you know, you could actually use as a carry handle if you wanted to, if you had some place that your gas hose was already secured. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit inside of there. But you could use this kind of as a little carry handle also. The gas hose that's going to come with it. Now notice how long this thing is. You could definitely hook this up to stationary gas if you had it on your truck and still have room to reach all over your table with it. It actually is long enough to reach the gas to the ground if you wanted to keep your tank underneath and still have everything, you know, up here. One of the things I really like about it is the way this gas line hooks in. This is a really chunky screw, and it's going to allow you to get a lot of thumb on it and, you know, twist it on real easy. All right, there's one more thing in the bag we're going to keep as kind of a secret here. So let's talk about how it opens up here. On the side is just this piece of rubber that's got a couple screws in it. Something that if it actually goes south on you, it could easily be repaired, it seems like. So once you have that off, open her on up. And you'll see pretty standard for how these double folded gas stoves work. You know, one bracket upside down in there, one bracket right side up. And you can see there's a little groove they've had to put inside this one to make sure these fit in there perfectly. So one of the things with this is, this gap right here is going to allow you to put extremely large pans on this. You know, they say it's going to hold two 10-inch pans. Now I have a 12 and 10 right here. Even this cast iron is very sturdy in place. I mean, very minimal wobble. This one's a little handle heavy, so it does want to kick around just a little bit more. But like I said, plenty of room. So the secret that's still in the bag is they are actually going to give you your own griddle platter, which sits on there just like that. Nice little handle sticking off the side, aluminum. This is a coated non-stick surface for this pan right here though. So you have plenty of options. You could have a big pot, use something on the grill. If you wanted to carry just a little kettle or some kind of a small pot to do water with, you could get away with this as your pan, tucked neatly inside the bag. All right, I got it hooked all up to the gas can. We're gonna fire this up. So simply you just over rotate this to the back to the on position. And there's a lighter in the back there. And we got quite a bit of wind and it's holding up. Let's light this one. All right, so both of them burning. I put a little bit of avocado oil on this just so we can see once we get up to that temperature. And we're just gonna give it a minute or two to heat up. All right, so one of the things, kind of my pet peeve I have noticed about this, I do like a detent when it's being turned off. So if you start to turn it, rotate it too far, this is just going to turn off on you without letting you know when you're going to get to the edge. And you know, ideally, a little detent on the end to stop me from doing that is a perfect world for me. All right, so I don't know who came up with the boil test, and I'm not really sure I'm concerned whether water boils in 30 seconds or 42 seconds. What I'm concerned with is being able to char a good piece of meat. And as you can see, this oil I put on there is turning brown. Let's get a temperature off of there. 515 degrees. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see what we can get. Oh yeah, nice and sizzly. We got about a minute and a half on there. Let's see what we're getting. Just want to get some char on this bad boy. Oh yeah, she's looking beauty. All right, so look, that's the new offering in the camp stove department from Bodega. If you're in the market for something that is a folding propane 2-burner stove that actually has a little more room to get some big pans on there, take a look at this one. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take it easy.